Before we learn about data security, first we should know what is data and how data is stored. Data refers to raw facts, information, or statistics that are collected, processed, and interpreted for various purposes. It can take various forms, including numbers, text, images, audio, or any other representation of information. Come to the next question, that how is data stored? Computers represent data, for example, text, images, sound, video, as binary values that employ two numbers, 1 and 0. The smallest unit of data is called a bit, and it represents a single value. Additionally, a byte is 8 bits long. Memory and storage are measured in units such as megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, and exabytes.